Welcome people, so we are going to look at the macaws over here at Dolphin Cove. We just went to the bird aviary, so we are over to the macaw side. Maybe we can see some iguanas as well. Let us see.
Tell me how the business going on.
Come on. No man, 3 stone. 3 stone. Come in. If you look on the iguana. Iguana look fat and nice over here.
Right, you're going to cook him.
May come.
Yeah man, and tame man.
No way.
Right, there is a macaw people. In Trinidad, these birds just fly wild. Out here, we pay to see them here. They are not native to Jamaica. Steven, look at this iguana right here. Let's have a look at this one, eh? You see what I tell you about Jamaican iguana? They are not afraid of people. But if this one was in Trinidad, Steel Band would have played for you already, you know, my brother. You see, in fact, look at the tail. Oh, Lord, man.
Vegetarian.
Eh, vegetarian? He is vegetarian, but we are meat eaters. There he is, peeps. Nice iguana. Right now. Right now, peeps. You can lift him up, man, and take him off. Nah, I'm doing nothing, man. Nice iguana, people. See him there, Steve? Hey, Neil, you like this one? How much pound you weigh, my boss? One I look like around 15 pound.
Big girl now.
Go and grow, my boss. Go and grow.
I think into a level crowd.
It now get active, bud. Won't get active. So here are the macaws, people. Right here. Just relaxing themselves in the breeze. Forget how you name, you know. What do you want to wear to name, my boss? Real. Yeah? Man, no, man. Not what I call him. African. Okay, right over here. Hello, how are you? Or only that one in your vocabulary? I want to see Boss agree to.
Hello.
They have a very nice bite for us, you know. So these are pet right here. When they're Trinidad, they're going to fly about. Appears flying enough of them native to Trinidad. Yes, but out here, so now people only have them as pets. You know, we only have the yellow bill and the black bill. And the regular one they can't are doing it. This dry crops. Parakeet. Yeah man, so here you have people. Here we have it. Nice and beautiful. So that is it, people. Could get auntie one little weird and make sure go play with them. Oh, you put my friend. Oh, you put my friend, my boss.
I must figure it out for
The boss put on my friend right here, so you can go and relax. Why they wouldn't even hunt you at Trini, eh? With a patch of curry for you. Mr. Dumo, how would you do with this one? This one going out to Mr. Dumo, you know, baby.
Yeah, melaninium.
Any fruit, man. Any fruit. Money cool. Yeah, man, so big up yourself, Guana. Boss get rescued in live Jamaica and lucky out to say live, you know. Lucky you puke. Hey, look at all them legs there, man. Eh? And I'm not zooming, people. I'm not zooming. Alright, boss, I live in a luxury here, you know. Nice home and food come to him on the hour and them thing there. So that is it from Dolphin Cove. So, hey. Yes, people, that is it, you know. One spot I show, you know. Dolphin Cove. That is it. Nice little jungle tour. Bust the song there, Dante. So my artist said, people, somebody was asking me where did I get that song on. So this is Tay Vibes, my artist. He is the one who did the song. Do a piece like them, my boss.
One spot the same like all you fly. Oh, when you wind and you cry. Oh, can I get to know you? One spot I want get to know you. No. Oh,
Right there, people. My artist. Go look him up. Tay Vibes on YouTube. Upcoming artists out there. Brr, pop, 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 pop. One spot I said that. And we are out.